he give a hit in Punjabis. So do you think it's an easy job for you or it's a hard job for you? Sing Punjabi songs and make a more than 236 million viewers. You get it in Naja. So it's an easy job for you or it's a very hard?
I mean, it's fun. Some songs will get a lot of views, some won't. I think I don't really worry that much about views. That's just, that's a number.
Like Naja, Indians, Pakistanis, Arabic, Europeans, Turkish, like I think so all over the world, everyone listen this song. And what I just want to request you, can you sing a small for our audience?
Sure. सोहनी बड़ी लगदी है जद कुड़ती पावे काले रंग दी तेरे नाम से जी लूं तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं तेरी जान के सदके मैं कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं.
When they are in the own own stories on Instagram or Facebook, they listen Ataullah Khan and Reshma ji and Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. So which is your favorite from Pakistan?
Oh, that's a hard question. I think Noor Jahan would be my favorite.
Assalamu alaikum, namaste, hello, adab, Dubai. Right now, and I'm here in Dubai at Royal Ascot Hotel. I'm with the person, very talented, very charming, and they give a lot of hit songs, and they give a fame about Naja. I'm right now with Pav Dharia. Hi Pav, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. How are you?
So first of all, welcome in Dubai, and a lot of fans excited to know about more and more about you, and just want to know how you get the idea about the Naja.
I don't know if you ever with your friends, you come up with crazy ideas. The difference is because we all of us are creative people, so we all shoot and make music together. And what happens usually is with us, one person will come up with a crazy idea, and one of us will go, okay, let's do it. That's the difference. That is the difference that I think is between me as an artist and any other Indian artist, is that all of my friends are in a part of the production. So when we come up with any ideas, everyone comes up with ideas, we just make them happen. That's the difference. So you see it on screen. Whereas most people can't see it on screen because you have to go to a director, and that director has to have his vision in it, and the cinematographer comes in. So that idea that you want will always cost a lot of money. But for us, because there's no third party involved, we just make that idea happen.
Oh, Pav is an Australian guy, and he give a hit in Punjabis. So do you think it's an easy job for you or it's a hard job for you? Sing Punjabi songs and make a more than 236 million viewers. You get it in Naja. So it's an easy job for you or it's a very hard?
I mean, it's fun. Some songs will get a lot of views, some won't. I think I don't really worry that much about views. That's just that's a number. I think Indians worry a lot about, like, brown people, we worry about views a lot. Everything is views. But to me, like, good music is just good music. Some of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan's songs have like 2 million views or 3 million, So I think that doesn't really matter. What matters most is for us to make sure that whatever music we put out is from the heart. And because I'd like to think mine's from the heart, it's quite easy for me to make the music. The hard part is actually putting the music out into public, but making the whole thing, creating it, that's actually fun. That's why we live.
You're very bold because you tell the reality and you tell to everyone truth. Like you say, you're not looking for the numbers and you're not looking for the viewers. You believe quality music to deliver to the right persons. So like you say, a lot of Indians, they are just crazy about, I have these numbers, I have this viewers and that one. What is the story and behind? What is the game of the viewership?
I don't know how bold I can be here, but how how do I explain this?
Because I see one of your interview in the radio, but you're really, which truth you speak. There, no singers openly share this truth.
There are some singers that have said it in the past. Like Babbu Maan, he's a very famous Punjabi singer. And he's said it. There's a couple more that have said it. But the problem is that it's always been, at least for them, they've said it in hardcore Punjabi. So it's never really reached an audience that would be able to understand it more than the Punjabi crowd, right? And I don't think I'm bold. I think I just don't like being pretentious. I don't like that. Like, why do I want to cut a cake if I reach 1 million views? What have I done? Nothing, right? Like, I made a song, people liked it, nice. Some people will cut a cake, they'll have parties because they reached 10 million views or whatnot. And if you look at YouTube as a platform for people to watch videos, it's only Indian videos that have the number of views on the thumbnail. Only Indian.
Well, like Naja, Samne Wali, okay. So, like, Samne Rani hai and Teri Diwani, one is the, like, we are expecting like Pav just singing a party numbers or something, but Teri Diwani, so like it's a different track and different way of the singing.
तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरी जान के सदके मैं कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, आज ही हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी।
So are you believe on party numbers, or like you're a versatile singer? Because I'm listening Teri Diwani, then I'm listening Samne Rani, and then I'm Naja. So what is the pop? Like pop singer, rap, like pop singer, party guy, or something like, romantic, sad songs, heartbroken song?
First of all, it's Pav. We'll get to that. We'll change that one day. Maybe it'll take 2 or 3 years, but we'll get to it. I get bored of one thing, right? So if I was to say only be singing party tracks or happy tracks, as humans we have a lot of emotion. It's not just being happy. A lot of emotion comes from being sad. A lot of really good songs come from being sad. A lot of Nusrat's work is about longing, about being sad. A lot of his work is about being happy. So if you were to say what is it that I enjoy the most, when I really sing and I really deeply sing, there's nothing that makes you feel more connected to music than Sufi music, than the sad sort of stuff, right? But when you come to pop, where you want everyone to listen to what you're doing, then that's more happy pop. Because people like if you want to go to a club, you're not going to be like listening to a sad song. Maybe you are, but
Pav,
there's no one thing that I like doing. I don't want to be classified as a singer that can only do one thing.
Okay, great. Like Naja, Indians, Pakistanis, Arabic, Europeans, Turkish, like I think so all over the world, everyone listen this song. And what I just want to request you, can you sing a small for our audience?
Sure.
सोहनी बड़ी लगदी है जद कुड़ती पावें काले रंग दी थोड़ा जा मेरे नेड़े हाँ तेरे उत्ते लगदा नजर है सब दी।
I can only really sing that much because I've been performing tonight, but yeah. You want more?
Yeah, we want more.
कवारी है तू सोहनी है ते मैं भी है कवारा चढ़दी जवानी हुण लुट ले नजारा जे ना मैनू करती ते उठ जे ना मैनू करती ने पुछना दोबारा फिर रोटियां पकाई नाल मेरे गाने गाई ना जना 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 ज मित्तरां तो दूर अंबरां तो आई तू लगदी है हूर हथ तेरा नखरा तेरा की कसूर मैनू भी पसंद तू कर दी जरूर कुआरी है तू सोहनी है ते मैं भी है कुआरा चढ़दी जवानी हुण लुट ले नजारा जे ना मैनू करती ने पुछना दोबारा फिर रोटियां पकाई नाल मेरे गाने गाई ना जना 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 ज मित्तरां तो दूर अंबरां तो आई
one more thing, like roti kado milugi, ਲਾਈਕ ਠੇਠ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਠੇਠ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਰੋਟੀ ਕਦੋਂ ਮਿਲੂਗੀ ਔਰ ਗਾਣੇ ਦੇ ਲਿਰਿਕਸ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖੁਦ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੋਸਤ ਯਾਰ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਆਈਡੀਆਜ਼ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਮੋਸਟਲੀ ਲਿਰਿਕਸ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ
ਹਾਂਜੀ are we speaking Punjabi? So the first track that I had lyrics all mere sige. Second track I had I have a Pakistani writer. His name is Rustam Mirza, and he writes really good. So I love Pakistani Punjabi. I like the way it's spoken. It's like it's Punjabi, but it's spoken in a very soft way where to me it sounds really nice. And because I was born in Batala, we actually used to get Pakistani TV more than like the reception was better for PTV. So I used to listen to Pakistani music almost all the time, and I think I'm used to that language as a language for music. I associate those sort of lyrics as being more musical in that way. So again going back to lyrics, we write them ourselves, and then we also have other people. Sometimes I'll get lyrics from someone sends them to me and I like them. So there's a handful of ways, not necessarily one way. Naja was just us two, me and my best mate. We wrote that together, but there are times when we get lyrics from other people as well.
You told me you love Pakistani music, and I've seen a lot of Indian singers and a lot of Bollywood singers, especially in the Punjab. Like when they are in their own own stories on Instagram or Facebook, they listen Ataullah Khan and Reshma ji and Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. So which is your favorite from Pakistan?
Oh, that's a hard question. I think Noor Jahan would be my favorite.
Really?
That's probably someone you haven't mentioned.
Which one you love from the Noor Jahan sound? Which one is your favorite? Just for the Noor Jahan fans who love to Noor Jahan.
This is it's an even harder question. I can't say there's one song that I like of hers, but I would say it's more the tone of her voice and the way she sung it. There's a lot of emotion in her voice, right? So all of the songs that are Noor Jahan songs, they have this vibe, and you can just tell this is a Noor Jahan song. I would say that to me, that's why she would be my favorite. And she does have her own style as well. But yeah, I can't say one favorite of hers. I like all of her songs really.
So you listen Ataullah, Isa Khelvi, Reshma ji, Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, Noor Jahan, all of that.
जी.
Okay. लास्ट आपका जितना भी अभी तक काम आया है हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ योर फ्यूचर प्लान्स आप जिस तरह बता रहे हैं कि यू आर वेरी क्लोज टू विद पाकिस्तानी राइटर्स एंड यू लव पाकिस्तानी म्यूजिक यू हैव एनी प्लान टू वर्क विद एनी पाकिस्तानी सिंगर्स और पाकिस्तानी स्टार्स
I've actually got a song coming out with a Pakistani writer. So he wrote a song and he got me to sing it. Got me to sing a part of it. But he has a voice that I've never heard. It's like a beautiful voice. We literally shot the video of that last week. So I'll be releasing his song through my YouTube channel. Yeah, I mean, that's probably the first one that I'm going to have. Hopefully the opportunities come as we go along.
The last question is that, like, you know, a lot of people follow you, a lot of people want to be a singer like you. So what is your message for all upcoming singers who follow you? Being a good singer. So what is your message for them if he follow you and he want to some messages for them?
I would say don't become a singer for the fame. Become a singer if you enjoy singing, and if the singing that you do is enjoyed by people around you, then become a singer. Don't do it because you want to be rich and famous, because I don't think you'll be able to get to that. You'll waste your time. But if you are talented and you put that talent towards actually the art itself, then the fame and whatever that comes anyway. But don't chase that.
Thank you so much. And the last one, सामने रहनी है for 2 lines.
सामने रहनी है जान कढ लेनी है सामने रहनी है जान कढ लेनी है नच ले मेरी बाहां विच पर ले मैनू साहां विच सामने रहनी है जान कढ लेनी है सामने रहनी है जान कढ लेनी है सामने रहनी है जान कढ लेनी है नच ले मेरी बाहां विच पर ले मैनू साहां विच सामने रहनी है जान कढ लेनी है
And that song's actually written by Rustam.
Really, Rustam from Pakistan.
Yeah, so he's from Pakistan. He's written that song.
Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much all of viewers who love Pav. Keep following him on his YouTube channel, Instagram and Facebook, and keep supporting World Point TV with RJ Jutt, cameraman Bilal Tokir. Thank you.